Hello and welcome back to yet another episode of Power Partners. My name is Igor Voloshen with the Voloshen Law Firm. And today we have a very special guest on our program. My good friend and a very good confidant to myself and my family, Glenn Eckstut, who is a life insurance broker and also a very knowledgeable person when it comes to working with different savings plans and different life insurance policies to provide for the well-being and financial stability of your family. Before we dive right into our topic today, just wanted to remind our viewers that Power Partners is a series that we have started in the recent past. And during Power Partners, during these episodes, we invite people to talk to our viewers and our clients about topics that are important to immigrants. All sorts of topics. We have people from all industries discussing how their particular profession, their particular industry impacts lives of immigrants in the United States and helps them build their American dream. So why don't we dive right into our conversation? Glenn, can you please tell our viewers a little bit about yourself, about the company you work with, and what do you do? And then maybe dive right into what is life insurance and why it's important.
Igor, thank you for having me today. Yes, my name is Glenn Eckstut. I grew up in Northeast Philly and moved to the suburbs for high school, went to Lower Moreland High School, followed by the University of Pittsburgh. Was going to be a elementary school teacher. The goal was to open up daycare and day camps for kids. Always enjoyed working with kids. A personal tragedy happened in my household, which made me go in a different direction. And I decided to become a financial advisor and also a life insurance / disability insurance specialist. I've worked for a number of the big banks over the years. And 5 years ago, decided to go on my own and open my own company called GE Insurance for Life, where I just educate people on the different life insurance programs out there, disability insurance programs out there, a little bit of long-term care, and a couple other programs as well. And I have a beautiful wife, 2 precious little girls, and I'm very lucky.
So why don't you tell us then, Glenn, what in general is life insurance and how it could be used by our clients and viewers overall as a financial planning tool and as a savings tool for the future and the well-being of their family, especially if and when they're gone?
Well, life insurance is a program that protects your family, God forbid, if tragedy should strike and you were to pass away. That's pretty much what life insurance is. There are different types of life insurance, and we can go over that at a later time. But the bottom line is there are many other benefits that it's called permanent life insurance can offer. Many people think of life insurance as strictly death benefit, but you have the opportunity to also potentially grow your money inside a life insurance policy. And when you retire, you're able to take an income potentially from your life insurance policy. Some people use their life insurance policy for college funding for their kids. Maybe they want to start a business or buy a vacation home. Some people are into real estate and they want to use their cash accumulation as their own line of credit, their own personal line of credit. So an array of benefits that life insurance offers, which we can talk about further.
During your work with clients from all different communities, would you say that what is the most popular insurance instrument that people use to mainly provide for the financial well-being of their children and their family after they're gone?
Well, there's different types of life insurance, so it really depends, Igor, on the objective of each
circumstance
person. Person. If somebody is looking for a temporary fix, a temporary insurance, there's a program for that. If they're looking for something more permanent that could last their lifetime, then it's something called permanent insurance. So it really just depends what their objectives are. Permanent insurance is the one that allows you to potentially grow your money, have a savings bucket inside your life insurance policy that can grow, and you can use it for multiple things.
One of the questions that a lot of my clients ask when the topic of life insurance comes up is, well, I can't afford it. It's not affordable. It's not it's not approachable to me. It's not something that I could access. Would you say that anybody across any socioeconomic spectrum can pretty much access life insurance? I guess my question is there a product that is available and accessible to everybody?
Yes, there's a life insurance program that's suitable for anyone, regardless if you earn a lot of money or you don't earn a lot of money. As long as you're healthy and can provide certain information, you can get approved, and there are life insurance programs that will cost you a very little bit to get a lot of coverage for a period of time.
Now, when you say healthy, could you maybe elaborate a little bit on that? What kind of factors are usually life insurance companies looking to when they are considering whether they will underwrite your policy?
They want to see your health status. If you have any pre-existing conditions, what are those? What's the daily dose? How long have you been diagnosed with the condition? Minor things are no issue at all. Even some major things could be no issue at all. So it really depends. And the way we get around this, by the way, is we do a medical exam where an aide can come out to your home or your place of business, whatever you choose, and they'll perform a pretty much almost like a checkup on you. And then the insurance company can determine if they'll accept you for life insurance or not. But I'd say if you're pretty healthy or somewhat healthy, there's a good chance you'll probably be approved.
Just two more questions for you, Glenn. One is, are there any or can there be any kind of tax benefits to having a life insurance as one instrument or for your wealth or financial planning in the future? Can there a person receive any kind of tax benefit from actually having a life insurance policy in whatever form it is in their financial portfolio?
Yes, so there could be potentially some tax advantages with life insurance that certain other programs may not offer. So it's just important to hone in on what each individual client is looking for. Permanent insurance could have some tax advantages that other life insurance programs don't have. But again, we have to discuss your personal situation.
And the last question is, for our viewers who are interested in learning more about how life insurance policies can become a worthy and significantly important tool in their financial portfolio and to provide for the future of their family and loved ones if and when they're gone, how can they contact you to talk in more detail about how you and your company can be of assistance?
My website is geinsuranceforlife.com. Glenn Eckstut, I thought that was kind of
pretty ingenious.
Yep. So geinsuranceforlife.com. You can reach me at glenn@geinsuranceforlife.com. And my cell number is 215-421-4555. So text, email, or phone call, totally fine.
Once again, thank you everybody for tuning in. Just to remind you, we had with us this morning Glenn Eckstut, a financial advisor and also a great life insurance broker. If you are looking to buy life insurance or if you need advice on how life insurance can become one of the many tools in your savings plan and agenda, please contact Glenn at the number and the contact information that he has provided. Once again, you have been with us at yet another episode of Power Partners. Please tune in next time and have a good day.